Alright, y'all, phase one is finally over, so let me show you what I did. Alright, y'all, welcome to another one of my crazy videos. Now, today I walked in here, right, and I look around, I was like, oh my God, the closet looked really, really, really bad. See, my shoes are all over the floor. The rack doesn't have enough space for them. You got some on top. You know, my suits and all, you know, all over here. I got some of my pants and all these containers all have my clothes. It's a mess. It really is a mess. We're gonna have to get this thing situated today. We're gonna start this thing right now. Okay, I just finished to remove everything and all the clothes and everything else, and now I'm realizing how big this place actually is. So yeah, this project's gonna take me a little longer than I actually thought it would, but we'll get it done though. All right, so after the paint, this is all good to go. Now, the great thing about this project is this. You see, I have this right here I'm gonna incorporate in it. I got this big old dresser right here I'm gonna incorporate in the project. And this one right here. So that way I don't have to build any drawers or anything because I already have. To Home Depot and get the materials right here. I'm using 2x4s to build the base here because I didn't want the closet to sit directly on the floor. All right, we are all in place here. Everything fits perfectly. I ran out of wood. I had to use a piece I had left from another project, but hey, it's all good. I'm using 3/4 inch MDFs to make the shelves. So the name of the game here is cut everything to size, make your pocket holes, and go ahead and screw your shelves together so you can put them up. This is the part where having a second person helping you would be great because the space is big. So the cabinets that I'm building are big. Moving them around was very challenging for me, but yeah, I was able to get it done. That was a lot of work. I'm using this wood edge trim here to give the closet a more unified and professional look. All right, so we're looking real good. You can't really see it right now, but once I clear all these materials I don't need, you'll see that I'm actually basically almost done with phase one. What I'm going to do, like for the shoe shelves, if you look over here, they pretty steady already, right? But I want them to last a long time, so I'm going to use those small pieces that I just cut right here as support, and then it's gonna be kind of like a design as well. Yeah, you'll see what it looks like at the end. Yep, so I'm gonna use some Gorilla Glue and the nail gun to just make sure I put it where it should be. All right, so it took me a minute to figure out how I was going to do this wall. I was gonna go buy some wallpaper and everything, but I utilize the same material that I bought, that I make the closet with. I just cut them in 10 pieces and I lay them like I'm doing like a wood, you know, like a decorative wood wall, however you call it. But yeah. I have many mirrors in the house, including one that was in the closet. So the one that was in the closet, I'm going to just remove the frame that it has, because it's not gonna go with the closet, and see if I can add another one so I can just, you know, put the mirror right here. All right, call me cheap if you will, but I found these little pieces right here. They were with the old frame that he had, so I'm going to use them. I already cut them to size to frame the new mirror, and after I paint it, it will look very beautiful. Again, you can call me cheap if you want to, but yeah, I was gonna buy some, but then I noticed this style will actually go with what I'm trying to do here. Yep, I already cut them. They came like this. They were longer. There was so many of them, so now I'm using them. I'm already attaching them to the old frame for my new frame. All right, y'all, phase one is finally over, so let me show you what I did. Oh man, look at this. Yep, this is what my closet will be looking like. Now, this is phase one. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not in there yet, and hit the notification button. That way you don't miss the second video. Now, what you're looking at over here is the whole shoe rack from here to there. Now, that is beautiful. You see, at the beginning, I really didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I think so far, so good. And if you look around this way, so it will be like, this will be my section right here, like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like right over in the middle, to when you flip over here, it will be my wife's session, and then our shoes will be right here and mine will be over here. Now, please, again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. That way you don't miss the second video of the finished product. So all the cutting and measuring and yeah, all that is over. So now we're gonna do the floor, the lighting. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but it's gonna come to me. And the painting, and I still don't really know which color and how we're gonna do it. So we'll see. I think I was able to incorporate those dresses I already had. Fits as if it was part of the, you know, closet already. So I can't wait to finish this. I can't wait to do part 2 for y'all so you can see, you know, so far I'm loving this and I think it's gonna be dope. And over right here, I put a couple little shelves. I think we're gonna find some good use for them. And up there, I did one as well. So I'm trying to utilize all the spaces I got in here. You know, that way, you know, we can have space for everything. We don't have to have things in the room or anything like that. So far, so good, man. I love this. Please let me know what you think. And again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the final product, which is gonna be part 2 of this video, of this series I'm doing, building my closet. So, thank you for watching. Please again, like, share, subscribe, comment. I hope to see you on the next video, which will be coming out pretty soon. It might take a little time, but it's coming. I promise you, it's coming. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my other videos. And part 2 of this video, I'm pretty sure you want to see. So here we go. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye. Man, I love this. This is too cool, man.